Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how to use ClickUp to track client deliverables. Let's dive right into it. First off, let's create a new project for our client. Find the plus add button on your left sidebar, click it, and select Project from the drop-down menu. Now you'll need to input the project name, color, and privacy settings. Let's say we name it Client A Deliverables. The reason we do this is to have a clear, separate space for each client, making it easier to track their specific deliverables. Next up, we're going to set up the statuses for your deliverables. Under the Statuses tab in your project settings, you can add custom statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of where each deliverable stands, keeping everyone on the team on the same page. Now that we've done that, let's add our tasks. Go back to your project and click the plus add button, this time selecting task. Each task should represent a single deliverable for your client. For instance, if you're a design agency, tasks might include logo design, website layout, and so forth. Let me explain why this matters. It breaks the project down into manageable parts, allowing you to focus on one deliverable at a time. The next step is to assign these tasks. Click on a task and you'll see an assignee field. Here, you can assign the task to a team member. This is crucial as it designates responsibility, ensuring each deliverable has someone taking care of it. Our final step involves setting due dates for each task. Inside the task, click on the due date field and select the date you've agreed upon with your client. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is now set to send reminders to the assignee as the due date approaches, helping to prevent any missed deadlines. And that's it. You've now set up ClickUp to effectively track client deliverables. Remember, the key is to break the project down into tasks, assign responsibility, and set clear deadlines. This way, you can ensure each deliverable is completed on time and to the client's satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.